Hello folks.
Hello folks, we're making a healthy milk. It's not normal type, it's a different type of milk that can help you with everything. Better than normal milk, of course.
Yes. So what we are showing you is what we need to make haldi or turmeric milk. So we need peppercorns, black pepper, some cardamom, honey. The darker honey, the better. That's what they say. And milk. Okay. So first thing we do is have something so we can crush the cardamom. Put some cardamom. Oops, I'll put 3. Just put 1 back. Thanks. What are you laughing at? Yeah. So bring it over here. So we don't want to break anything. And we are going to show you so you can see some cardamom. What do you call it, Hiren?
Cardamom?
No, what is this thing?
I don't know, some kind of stick.
So it's like a crusher, it crushes the cardamom. So let's crush the cardamom. Yeah. So make it like. So we crush the cardamom. The reason we do that is to give it maximum flavor. When we add it to the milk, it gives it a really nice flavor and aroma. Cardamom. So now you can see the cardamom inside it. What do you think, Hiren?
It's all crushed.
All crushed now. Move on to bringing the pan. So here we have a pan. We put it on the gas and fire it up. Yeah. So anyway, that's my son, Hiren. Say hello, Hiren.
Hello.
Yeah, don't be crazy. Yeah, he loves haldi milk. And we've been giving him haldi milk now for more than 1 year. And basically it has helped him a lot. He's had a lot of bad cough for so many years.
Until healthy milk changed me.
Yes. And what he's saying is until haldi milk changed him and he got addicted. He's hooked now. So what we're going to add here is some milk. So we normally use full fat milk. And there we go. Let's just open it. So we need a cup. Well, I think I'm going to burn the pan anyway.
You're not. No, you're not.
So the milk is going.
You cook perfectly.
So we're going to make 2 cups. And then, so the milk's in the pan. Now we are going to add the cardamom, the crushed cardamom in the milk. Have a look.
I don't see it.
So it's not for you. Now the next thing is to crush some black pepper.
Can I crush it? Can I crush it?
Also add some black peppercorns. Let's have a look.
I mean,
that's one too many. That's one too many. Let's take a few out. Right.
But all that matters is you should have a few of the black
peppers. Yes,
black
that's
peppers.
right.
Only
so
a few.
Hiren, do you want to crush it? So Hiren is going to crush the black peppers. Look. All done. Let's do it together. And that's it. So have a look, folks. Now we have crushed black pepper, just like the cardamom, goes inside the milk. So they say the pepper helps the turmeric, which is haldi, to absorb better in the body, and that's why they add black pepper, which I didn't know about until I watched a video on YouTube. And that video was putting black pepper, and the reason for, so when I went online as well, if you go online you can see that black pepper helps to absorb haldi, the turmeric, in the body and get the maximum absorption in the body, and that's what you want for us to get the most benefits from this milk.
And you know how to make and we also make the milk yellow. Watch
In
closely of how to make the milk yellow.
Yeah. So in the ingredients list, sorry guys, I forgot to show you the turmeric because that's the most important. So now we have turmeric. You can use any turmeric. There's powdered turmeric. So we're gonna add some turmeric in the milk.
Yeah, that's turmeric. Turmeric turns it into a different
And
color of the milk.
We give it a mix. Look at that. It gives it a nice orange color. You keep mixing it. Keep mixing it for a few minutes. So the reason I mix it, give it a mix, so everything gets nicely mixed in the milk. The cardamom, the crushed pepper, and the turmeric. All I want it all like get really infused and into the milk, to give the milk the nice smell, nice flavor, and it tastes good as well. So keep mixing until the milk boils. So when the milk boils, then we're ready. The milk is ready. So the milk's boiling now. Oops. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at the phone. It looks like you have good grip.
So look at this milk now. It's boiled once. So you simmer the gas. Keep mixing it so it doesn't. Keep mixing it. Yeah. Give it another boil. There we go. Yeah, close the gas. And the milk is ready. So let it cool down. You can still keep on mixing it because that helps it to cool down. Or another way of cooling it down, which I'm going to show you now, is to cool down in a bowl of water. Let me show you. So we go and get the bowl. So fill it with water, with cold water. So let's say if you want to cool the milk quickly, and then you put the pan in the water, you see, and give it a mix. See, it helps it cool down really quickly, so you don't have to wait for like forever, right? Yeah, forever. So now we are helping it to cool down even faster. That's the trick. You probably know this, but this is intended for people who don't know about it. You can put a finger in it, of course, clean finger. I washed my hands before. Well, I can say that now. So it's cooling down really fast. when you touch the water here inside, you can feel the water's getting warm, so all the heat's getting into the water from the milk. So now that milk's nearly ready, so you want it like not cool down but a bit warm. So we take it out, and yay!
Why is it making that
So
noise?
you think what's making noise? So now that milk's ready. So we're gonna, what do you call this, Hiran?
Thingy where you like put things I don't know.
It's a sieve, yeah?
Sieve?
So it filters the milk and
Make sure it doesn't drop.
yeah, so make sure you use this kind of a thing. So you don't want those crushed things, cardamom and black pepper in your mouth. So it filters them. Yeah, so that's it. I think that's about it. It's very good for health. Like I said, I've been giving this milk to my son for like just over 1 year. It's helped him a lot. He used to have an episode of throat infection every regularly, and with no medication, nothing. This milk has kind of like done the trick for us, and he can tell you a bit more about it. So Hiren,
Yeah.
so what do you think? How is this milk has helped you?
It's been helping me with my cough, and it's been helping me with other things I had problems with. So you should have this.
Do you recommend it?
I recommend
For
it
people
for
with-
everyone
People with throat problems and stuff.
with problems and stuff.
Yeah, and we forgot to mention, do we add honey to it? So add honey to it. I prefer to buy this honey, because the only reason it's not the brand is because it's dark, and they say the darker the honey, the better it is
You realize you already said that in the start.
in terms of the nutritional value. So yeah, that's my reason to buy this honey. Okay guys, thanks very much. Hope you like it. Cheers.